Well, the preacher man says I'm going to hell, but my baby knows I treat her swell. She climbs on back when the moon turns black, wraps her arms around my leather jacket. Townies call us the devil's crew. Cops flip their pads when we roll through. Butter nails dig in when I hit third gear. That's the only law I'm gonna hear. Black leather blues, baby, hold on tight. We're midnight bound on a two-wheeled flight. They'll never catch us, we're ghosts in the smoke. Just me, my girl, and the thunder we stoke.
What's that? Huh? What's he tipping his hat at you for?
The mirror, one headlight coming fast, but the soul hog's got a half-mile pass. Grab my waist, don't look back, eat Octus Jack. Say we're public foes, but they don't know where the wild wind blows. We'll disappear where the highway ends, just grease stains and a wanted sketch. Black leather blues, never lose. Well, they'll find my jack nailed to a pole, but the legend grows every tank gets stole.
Oh, sure, right? Just talk to my lawyer.
You just got me electrocuted!
Down past the levee where the water runs slow, where the bullfrogs sing and the moon hangs low. I took a pocket knife when I was 17, cut her name deep in a cypress tree. Now the moss keeps hanging, the roots run strong. That old tree's still standing, but she's been gone, left with the wind and a delta storm. But her name's carved in the bark, withered and worn, like a ghost in the grain. She don't speak, she don't cry, but I still hear her whisper every time I walk by. She's gone like a shadow at dawn, but her name's carved in the cypress, and the cypress lives on. Bare feet and a red bandana, swore she'd never leave Louisiana. But the highway called and her heart turned cold, left me here with the mud and the memories I hold. Some folks plant roses, some by a stone, but I carved her name in the woods alone. Thought love like that would never decay, but hearts break faster than bark fades away. Yeah, the moss keeps hanging, the roots run strong. That old tree's still standing, though she's long gone. Time don't ask and time don't mourn, but her name's still there through the weather and storms, like a prayer in the bark, like a promise gone dry. She's a scar in the wood and a tear in my eye. She's gone like a shadow at dawn. Her name's carved in the cypress.
Let's talk more work, boys.
Worked hard. I worked so hard for.
Yeah.